Okay, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, we will solve the trigonometric exercise problems as well as the question paper problems of 2022 and 2019 paper. So this question, 65 question is asked for 3 marks in 2022. What is the question is, two poles of equal heights are opposite to each other on either side of a road, which is 80-meter wide. Angle of elevation of top poles are 60 and 30 respectively. Find the height of the pole. And this diagram also given. So this diagram is, they have given like this much. The diagram is given like this, right? So two poles, the pole number 1 and pole number 2 are at opposite to each other at 80-meter wide, and the angle of elevation is 60° with respect to this and 30° with respect to this. Find the height of the pole. So here both are equal h. Here this PQ and RS, here equal heights they are given. So PQ is equals to RS. So we will mention that as H. So we want to find H, height of the poles we should find. How to solve this? With respect to the first H, it is this triangle we should use. What is the triangle? You can use the triangle PQT, and that you can use tan 60°. What is tan 60°? Opposite divided by adjacent. What is the opposite of this 60°? H divided by, what is this? Adjacent. This is QT. So here I will call this as something like X and this as something like Y, because this side we don't know. So I will write it as X, right? So how we can write? X is equals to, so we can write X is equals to H divided by tan 60. What is tan 60? Root 3, right? So this is what we will get from the triangle. Second triangle we will get RST. From this triangle we will write tan 30°. Tan 30° can be written as opposite by adjacent. So what is the opposite of tan 30? It is, opposite is H, adjacent is Y, right? So if I want to write what is Y, Y is equals to H divided by tan 30 means 1 by root 3. So the root 3 will go to the numerator, so it becomes like this. So it is equation number 1 I will call, equation number 2 I will call. Because I don't know what is X and Y, we have put like this, right? But if I add this X with Y, what I will get? 80 meter, right? So I will write here X plus Y is equals to 80. What is X? H by root 3. What is Y? H into root 3, right? So this whole thing is equals to what? 80, right? So how I can solve this? I can take H common. 1 by root 3 plus root 3 is equals to 80, right? So you can solve this. H, root 3 is LCM. So here 1 plus root 3 into root 3 is, so it is 3 into 3 is 9, right? Root 3 square, sorry, root 3 into root 3. Root 3 into root 3 is root 3 square. Square and root will get cancelled, so you end up with 3, right? So which is equals to 80. So it is H is equals to H into 4 divided by root 3 is equals to 80. So that here how we can solve this? 4 ones are 420. So here H is equals to 20 into root 3. The height is 20 into root 3, you will get it, right? So now what they are asking, finding the height of the poles. They are asking here the height of the pole is H, that is 20 into root 3, right? So that is what the thing you should answer, right? So anything which is left out now, suppose I want to calculate what is X, means here the distance between this what is that, first pole to this center point, X means, so we know that X is written as H divided by root 3, right? So what is the value of H? 20 root 3 divided by root 3, so it is 20. What is X? 20 centimeter. What is Y? Y is H into root 3, right? H is 20 into root 3 into root 3. So root, so square will get cancelled. 20 into 3 is 60, you will get. So this part is 20 and this part is 60. If I add both, I will get 80. So this is what the question they have asked. But they have asked here up to this H, that is 20 into root 3, right? So these two they may ask X and Y. So this is how 3 marks problem is asked, right? So in the 2022. Okay, I hope you understood this. So let us solve one more problem, which is appeared in the same 2022. So actually 3 problems have appeared in 2022 with respect to trigonometry. You can look at the weightage of the trigonometry. So how many marks? 3 marks, 2 question. So that is 3 plus 3 is 6, right? Then after that they have asked for 2 marks. So it is 6 plus 2 is 8. So they have asked for 8 marks in the descriptive part, right? So it is descriptive is very important. Only 8 marks is you are getting from the trigonometry section. So let us see 1 or 2 marks question very quickly so that you will see how exactly they have asked this. So I will mention the question number 54 asked for 2 mark in 2022 paper. In triangle PQR, I will draw the triangle. In triangle PQR, so here the angle Q is given, that is 90 degree, and PR plus QR is 25 centimeter is given. PQ also given, which is 5 centimeter. They are asking you to find out the value of sine R. So this is Q, this is R, and this is P. This is the question, right? So they are asking sine R. Sine R means this angle they are asking, right? For that they have given that this is 90 degree. PQ plus QR is 25 centimeter, and PQ value is given, that is 5 centimeter, right? So now, but you should calculate what is sine R. So here we know that trigonometric ratio, how to calculate sine R. Sine R is nothing but opposite divided by hypotenuse, right? In this case, what is opposite? PQ. What is hypotenuse? PR, right? So PQ you know, PR I don't know. So I should calculate what is PR, right? First I should calculate what is PR so that you can easily calculate sine R, right? So how to calculate PR? Means this, if I want to calculate, means what type of theorem you will use? Pythagoras theorem you will use, right? So how to write the Pythagoras theorem? Hypotenuse square is equals to PQ square plus QR square, right? So PR square is equals to PQ. What is the value of PQ? You know already, 5. That is 5 square plus QR. How to write QR? For that they have given this. QR can be written as 25 minus PR. So it is 25 minus PR square, right? So this can be written as PR square is equals to 5 square means 25 plus 25 square means 625. This is plus PR square minus 2AB. 2 into 25 is 50 PR, right? So PR square and PR square same, you can get cancelled. So 0, 625 plus 25, 650 minus 50 PR. So that 50 PR is equals to how much? 650. So PR value is equals to 650 divided by 50. So it is PR. 5 ones are 513. PR value is how much? PR value we came to know that it is 13. But what you should calculate? I should calculate sine R. How to calculate sine R? It is PQ divided by PR. What is the value of PQ? 5. What is the value of PR? Is 13. Right? So this is the question which is asked for how many marks? 2 marks. Right? So looking like lengthier, but it is asked for 2 marks. Right? So like this, we'll still solve 1 or 2 problems of a question paper so that how you can get the question paper. Sometimes you will get the solved one, sometimes you will get the exercise problems, right? So you should be prepared for the exercise problems also. In our videos we are covering exercise problems also, so that how we can easily solve the problems. So for that, first we are doing the videos, then we are solving the exercise problems. So here one more question I will take from the same 2022 gpstr. Question number is 66. It is asked for 3 marks. What is the question? 2 poles of heights two poles of height 6 meter and 11 meter stand vertically. What? Stand vertically on plain ground if the distance between their feet is 12 meter. Find the distance between their tops. This is the question, right? So how to solve this is the question, right? So how to solve this? For this, first we should draw the diagram. Two poles of height 6 meter and 11 meter. So I will take this as something like first pole. 11 meter means something bigger, right? Which is standing vertically on a plain ground, right? So this is a ground I will consider. So what is this? 6 meter, and this portion is 11 meter, right? Vertical and plain ground. If the distance between their feet, this is their feet, distance they have given, that is 12 meter, right? What they are asking, find the distance between their tops, right? What is that? That is nothing but they are asking this much. They are asking this you should find, right? So for this, I want some triangle. When you will get triangle, when you draw one parallel line to this ground, you will get the triangle, right? So I will mention this as something like A, B, C, D, and this E, and obviously this becomes right angle triangle, right? So if it is a 12 meter, what is the value of this? 12 meter, right? If it is a 6 meter, what is the value of this? It is 6 meter, right? If it is a 6 meter, what is the value of this becomes? So total is 11. This much is 6. So what is this? From E to C, 5. Right? So with the help of this diagram, we should find what is the distance between the tops. Means this value, E and D, you should find the value. Right? So it is looking like a very simple now, because here it is descriptive one and they have asked it for 3 marks. So I can't write this like whatever we are doing. It's an MCQ question with how we have done now. But descriptive type, how we should do is, they have given, what is given? Given is AB 12 meter. So what it is? CD is also 12 meter. And they have given BE is 11 meter. Right? Since AD is 6 meter, BC becomes 6 meter. Therefore, we can write BC plus CE is nothing but BE, right? So how to calculate CE? CE is BE minus BC. What is BE? 11. What is BC? Right? 6. What is 11 minus 6? 5. So it is 5 meter. What is CE? 5 meter. In the descriptive part, you should write like this, so that you will get the marks for here. Directly if you write, you will not get marks, right? So that is what CE we found. But what exactly we should find? Distance between the tops. This value, ED value I should find, right? So how to do that, right? This side I know and this side I know. I should use the Pythagoras theorem, right? So what is the Pythagoras theorem? ED square is equals to DC square plus EC square. ED square is nothing but DC square. What is DC value? 12. What is EC value? 5. So what it is? 144 and it is 25. What it is? 169. ED square 169 means what is the value of ED? 13. 13 square is 169. Right? So the value of this is 13. Right? So that is what the distance between the tops. So this is asked for 3 marks. For 3 marks minimum we should write like this. Right? So this is a problem. So can you see one more question paper problem which is asked now, right? So we will see in 2019 now, right? So this is how they will ask. you should solve many problems in the trigonometry. That's why we are doing many videos on the trigonometry, because minimum 8 marks they will be asking in each question paper. In each question paper, minimum 8. 8 is a huge number in that descriptive part, that you know that already. So if you are very familiar with this trigonometry, they will be asking simple questions. Understanding of the problem and drawing the problem in this case is very crucial, right? So we'll see one more problem. So here, so I don't have the full length problem. 2019 90 question asked for 4 marks. So I will draw here diagram here and later I'll explain. So I don't have the full length problem for this. That is a text I'll be not having. So here it is B, here it is C, here it is A, it is point P. So from B it is 30 degree, and this one is 45 degree, right? So here at the end what they are asking is, that is they are asking height of the flag. So this is a flag, they are asking height of the flag. I will directly write this. They are asking the height of the flag, means they are asking this portion. I don't have the exact problem. They are asking this height of this, that is nothing but BC. They are asking what is this BC is, right? So how to solve this, right? So anything which is given is this side also they have given, it is 10 meter, right? So how to solve this? So here having two triangles, you should always find the triangles here. It is ABP. From this triangle what you can write? Tan 30 degree you can write. From this opposite by adjacent. What is opposite? Opposite is AB, adjacent is AP, right? So from this, suppose tan 30, what is tan 30? 1 by root 3. It is AB is 10, AP don't know, right? So from here what you can write? AP is equals to 10 root 3, right? So root 3 is approximately 1.7, right? So if you do this approximately, you will get AP as approximately, I will write approximately it is 14 meter, right? So what you got? AP you got, right? But what is our intention? We should find BC, right? Still we will use one more thing here. We'll take one more triangle, that is CAP. From this triangle we will write tan 45. What is tan 45? Overall angle opposite by adjacent. What is opposite? AC divided by AP, right? So what is tan 45? 1. It is AC divided by AP. So what is the value of this? AC is nothing but what? AP. AC is nothing but AP. So this is exactly equal to this. That is the conclusion we will get from this, right? So next one, after this we'll call here this BC part something like X, right? After calling this, so we'll write what is AC. So AC is nothing but AB plus that BC. So it is AB plus X. It is not AB. AB value we already know. What is the value of AB? It is 10. What is BC? We have considered X. So now AC is nothing but what? 10 plus X, right? So now here how to write this? One small correction here. So this, if I multiply, I will get 17.32 meter. Just cross check that. Now we'll continue now. So we already calculated AC is equals to AP. So here AP, which is nothing but how much it is? 17.32 meter, right? So now from this side we can write AC. AC is equals to AB plus BC. BC in this case it is X, right? So AC. What is the value of AC? AC is nothing but AP. AP is nothing but 17.32. So it is 17.32 10 plus x. So if I want to calculate x, so it is 17.32 minus 10. So it is 7.32 meter. So what is the value of x? 7.32 meter. That is the height of the flag they are asking. Height of the flag in the problem which is given is this portion. This is nothing but 7.32, right? So this is 10 and this is 7.32. So it is totally 17.32, right? So this is what they have asked the question in 2019 for 4 marks. Look at now. It is looking like 4 to 5 steps are there, but still this problem is asked for 4 marks. Okay. So like this, 1 or 2 problems are there. We will solve that in the next video. Thank you. Because the video goes very lengthy, so that okay. So we'll solve 2 more problems in the trigonometry section. Thank you.